I'm Dr. Suvin Shetty. I'm the Secretary of the Association of Practicing Pathologists India, in short APPI. I am based in Mumbai and I practice as the head of Department of Laboratory Medicine in the Dr. L.H. Hiranani Hospital, Mumbai. I've been associated with the organization that is APPI for the last 3 years when we took over to look after the affairs of the association. Association has been in the being since 1992-94 and it has been primarily into the academic interest of the community. What we took as a challenge was that we had to increase the membership, which was a motley group of 150 at the time of taking over as secretary and office bearers. Today it has reached almost 1,000 in the last 3 years. What we decided is that there has to be a national-wide program of practicing pathologists where the academic interest across the field of laboratory medicine has to be taken care of, which is not being done currently with most of the academic platforms that's available nationwide or region-wise. So we have been doing this academic programs in small towns, in the city of Mumbai, in the city of Surat, city of Nasik, Goa, and many other CMEs we have conducted. And the whole idea is to percolate the information and the knowledge to improve the academics as well as the improve the good laboratory practice as well the quality in the laboratory. There are challenges which we face in the laboratory, be it quality, be it education, be it accreditation or registration or certification of the laboratories. And this is where we are working towards. What we decided is that by conducting academic programs, we will be able to improve the knowledge amongst the members. And we have done this year, we will be doing the third APP annual conference. For the past 2 years, we have been conducting annual conference, and every conference has been a ladder to the success. We conducted our first workshop in 2014, where we did 6 workshops and a conference which was attended by over 350 delegates. Next year in 2015, we did 21 workshops. We were encouraged by the industry as well as the community at large. 21 workshops with a conference attendance of over 650 delegates. This year we have been more ambitious. We decided to have 31 workshops, and it pans across the fields of the laboratory medicine, be it microbiology, histopathology, or chemistry, basics like lipid profile, urine routine, and we move towards informatics and process excellence, which are the need of the hour right now. So, and we have been encouraged by the registrations that has reached us. We are hoping to cross definitely 800 plus. And the idea is to create academic awareness amongst the laboratory as well as pathologists and microbiologists that the practice, what we do, definitely helps the clinical community. Well, it's said that 70% of the clinical or diagnosis in a patient management is through laboratory. I think by conducting such workshops and such conferences, we are only helping the patient and the medical fraternity in that sense. The conference is being conducted in the city of Mumbai, and it's going to be attended by 800 delegates. What we have done is that we have created breakouts where we are catering to various aspects of laboratory medicine, because laboratory medicine, or pathology for that matter, is one of the largest field in medical medicine. And we found we can't restrict ourselves to X or Y subspecialty. So we have tried to cater to all the interests which are available in the field. Lots of breakout sessions, almost over 150 faculty across the country, as well as there are reputed international faculty who are going to be there during the conference. And the highlight of this conference would be, for the first time, a pathologist conference is being accredited by IFCC, a International Federation of Clinical Chemistry body, which is renowned world over for its guidelines and for its education program. So for the first time, IFCC has stamped its accreditation for an academic program in India. Apart from IFCC, we also have Asia Pacific Federation of Clinical Biochemists, APFCB, which has put its accreditation to our body. Now, having these bodies accrediting us at international level means a lot to the pathologist community in this country. I think what happens is that clearly the faculty which is going to come to this conference would be way above what we are used to having it. And our academic program would be on par with the international conferences that are held elsewhere. Apart from these, the conference itself is accredited by the Medical Council of Maharashtra Medical Council. What it brings to us is that academic content is accredited by the council. The speakers are accredited, the academic programs are accredited, and overall there will be a program which caters to the needs of the community.